What? And I say, I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Sat here, how you guys doing? Right, carrying on with KonoSuba, Wonderful Explosion, and yeah, the Axis Cult. It was kind of just weird seeing them again, and wow, it's just wow. But then again, honestly, I did mention how they don't seem as bad as they did in the main series, probably because of where we're seeing them from, probably because it seems they got a lot of their ideas from Megumin. Yeah. I mean, they still hate Ares for some reason. I think they haven't mentioned how she's padding yet. It's coming next episode. I'm expecting that. But, yeah, there seems to be a mystery, a crime probably being framed, but, they deserve to be locked up for other things, so I don't know how hard they should work on that, but, okay. Let's see what's going to happen in this episode. There we go. You don't seem worried. No. Oh, come on. Did you have to make it sound so filthy? They're seriously pushing him under the bus just so they could get promotion? Yeah, I'm not sure it's enough violet holy water. What? Okay, what? Yeah, I know, it didn't wait long at all. Yeah, played fanatics in the world. Aren't they all fanatics? Yeah, you probably should, but we know you won't. Yeah, what? Well, it's probably just jelly. I like jelly. But the slime part is making me nervous. I mean, come on, she just delivered a letter. Blame whoever wrote it. Don't blame the messenger. Or shoot him. Well, yeah, more of our species. Statue looks nothing like her. Yeah, what is going on? Why is it coming out in the pipes? Okay, so all the water is turning to slime. Okay, so you're just pushing your power around. It's pretty awful. Yeah, why go through the trouble to make it slimy? That's what she said about. Yeah, it is. Wait, did they let him go? I thought they had all that evidence against him. Okay, what happened? Yeah, we are. We're really shocked. Okay, how though? I remember her. The end of season 2. So she used a lie detector and he was telling the truth. Yeah, that's her. Yeah, such magnanimity indeed. Okay, you are really pushing it. I have a feeling something's going to come up and he's going to be in big trouble and all of us is going to come back and bite in the ass. He deserves it. Yeah, the water is still messed up with you. Okay, that was clean. Oh, Demon Lady. They're probably going to pin on her this time. Yeah, you're just here for a cat. I mean, to be fair, she already gave the money and you guys accepted it and you can spend it all. What do you mean so brilliantly? She has a hood. I'd be worried about the legs. Some legs are out there. He just really wants an introduction. And he keeps going at the yeah, seriously though. Okay, he's really giving a about it. Seriously, he's freaking out. Yeah, you don't want to make her angry. Okay, he's into that. Well, at least she can dodge. You're gonna blame that on her. I mean, yeah, he's scum, but he's still the high priest or something. Yeah. But you appreciate the big boobs, right? Okay, she dodged that. I don't think that's an official title. I knew it. Of course, I'm gonna blame it on her. You tried to kill her. Of course, she'll flee. Okay, that kind of sounds racist. Look at you're fanatic about this. Yeah, I know. Did you actually catch her? Well, you're still in this town then. You should leave. No, you're stalking her. She knows. Okay, yeah, she got away. Reward money. Yeah, it was her. She taught them all this. Yeah, you can. Or will you? So, you gonna give this kiss again? You really stop playing with you know? Because you should. Oh, wait, he was guilty? Okay, so he did it accidentally. But how did he get past the lie detector? Oh, she does. You're not gonna try and make an explosion, are you? Yeah, she's gonna try and make an explosion. That's her answer to everything. At least he's asking for permission first, so if he messes up, she can take responsibility. There we go. Did you at least check to make sure no one's there? Whoa, that's a big one. And now you faint. There you go. So how big was it? Yeah, he wanted to mix graphic. Oh, she will. And she'll bring friends. And they'll hate your guts. Yeah, she needs it. No. Yeah, they still kind of pissed about it. Oh! Throw it back at her. Okay. Now get on and leave. Well, she basically got those right, except for the additive attached to them. Different additives, actually. Alright, so that was handled in usual fashion. How did he get past the eye detector? Maybe I missed something. I should go back in and ask. I mean, he did do it. Maybe it's by accident, but he did do it. Okay then. Yeah, and just as I forget, Mega Man made them worse. Here's why they were worse when we met them in the main series. Gosh, damage that girl was doing. Hey, she's on her way to Axel from the beginning, so she's probably going to interact with all the other characters, the supporting cast, because none of the main cast are there yet. At least I don't think so. Maybe Darkness might show up, but definitely not Kazuma Alpha. Not just yet. But hey, still, long road, might be stuff that'll happen. We'll have to wait and see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, it really helps out. Any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please check out my stuff. See you guys next time. Bye.